I wanted to see whether the theory that I was learning could be applied into the real world immediately. And so while I was studying, I started a little business, and it was really the seed that started my entrepreneurship journey. And it was all based on what I had learned at uni. I'm Anaita. I am the co-founder and CEO of Hero Packaging, and I'm also the founder of a business called Sell Anything Online. The highlight to me is to be around people who are so driven. So when you are doing your Masters of Commerce, you're not around just any student. These are students who want to succeed, they have drive, they want to do really well in their careers. So just to be around them, to do group work with them was incredible, and it pushed me to be an excellent marketer, an excellent business person. To have lecturers who put the students first and give you opportunities is amazing to me. The idea of building a culture at a university where the students do come first is unlike anything I've ever seen. I would recommend the Master of Commerce to anyone who wants to have a career in business or in marketing. Specifically, I did marketing because that's something I was so interested in, but I would absolutely recommend this to anybody. Even if you want to have a career change, it will give you the absolute fundamentals that you need to learn everything about commerce.